Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. In this video, we're going to talk about a project we are building at CodingPhase.com. And I'm super excited to tell you guys about it because I really think you guys is going to get a lot out of this project. And I want you to be part of this. I don't want you to slack. This is your opportunity to get into the game as a Shopify app developer. Okay, now listen. Everybody knows what I do here at CodingPhase.com, right? I come here, I teach you guys everything that has to do with web development. And at the same time, I'll try to give you guys the skills that not only can get you a job, but at the same time, you can reuse those skills to make income for yourself, okay? That's super powerful. Nobody else is doing this here in this niche of development. Nobody does this, okay? I'm probably the only guy that's really doing it out here. And I can really help you guys out because I have done it myself. I worked as a full stack developer for over 7 years full time, right? I've been doing this for a while. And at the same time, I've been able to make my own side income, which allow me to quit my job as a developer and working for other people to be able to make my own money and my own companies. Okay, so that's what I can provide for you guys, that experience and pretty much those shortcuts that I can help you guys with, you know, to get there to your goals. Now, this project that we are building is a super cool project for Shopify. Now, we're actually using Laravel, right? If you guys never heard of Laravel, Laravel is a PHP framework. It's the framework for web artisans, right? What does that mean? It just means like it allows you to create applications super fast because it provides you all of the tools to create web applications. So let's say, for example, you as a single developer can count for 5, 6, 10 different developers, right? When you're working at a big company, there's so many moving parts, right? And there's so many different things that every single developer is able to do and focuses on one thing, right? But with Laravel, because it's so easy and provides you so many tools and so many different features to create applications fast, it's like one developer is worth 10 developers if you know how to use this framework, okay? Like literally, there's so many people that create applications and it's just a one-man team or a two-man team straight up. Okay, you guys could Google it. You could do your own research on this. Now, we're going to be using Laravel, right? But at the same time, we're going to be using Vapor, which is another service from Laravel, which allows us to create applications on Laravel. And then at the same time, it just creates a seamless experience with deploying applications. Right? And let's say, for example, you get 1 million subscribers on your application or 1 million users on your application at one time, right? This does auto scale, okay? It's serverless deployment. It connects to AWS and it handles everything for you. So again, this is why I'm teaching you guys these things, is because I want you to be able to become a one-man team, okay? An indie developer. Get you guys up and running, get you guys ready to hit the ground running and create your applications, and then at the same time make money with it, okay? That's what we're here for, kids, to get the bag. It is what it is, okay? Now, what application we're going to be building? Well, if you guys have ever heard of marketing, right? Or understand how marketing works for products. Let's say somebody has a Shopify store, okay? So we're going to go to fashionnova.com. So I'm going to show you guys from a real example, right? Let's say we are Fashion Nova, right? And we wanted to promote this dress to our audience. It could be on Instagram, it could be on Facebook, it could be on Twitter, it could be on YouTube. Okay. Now you can take this link and give it to somebody, right? And say, okay, cool. Let me give this link, share it on my social network, right? On my social accounts, etc. Right. But you wouldn't know where exactly did this user come from. Okay. So what we're building is we're going to build an application where we can generate a link with UTM tags that manages, exactly where are these customers coming from. So like that, let's say I'm the CEO of Fashion Nova, I could see, hey, most of our sales are coming from Instagram. Most of our sales are coming from Twitter. right? And from a specific specific marketing campaign, right? This is the things that companies like this need. And one thing that I noticed, and the reason why I'm creating this application with you guys, is that nobody has this on Shopify, right? Nobody has this. Like, we're going to be creating an application that nobody has on Shopify. Now, of course, we could say, hey, Joe, but everybody here is going to create the same application. And yes, you're right. But what this is going to allow you guys to do is to really understand how to create an application from an idea, right? So pretty much you get an idea, you do the research and see what's out there, what people are using, what applications are popular, what is it that store owners need, and then implement it and create the application yourself. Okay, now if you guys never seen this before, what I'm talking about, let's say we copy this link. I work for fashionnova.com, right? I come here to, let's say, this website, which is a campaign URL builder. Okay, you could come here, right? Create the link, right? Paste it in here, put in the source, let's say Instagram. Okay, let's say right here you got campaign medium, let's say profile link. Okay, campaign name, skimpy dress. Let's say red, right? And let's say in here, if you want to differentiate, you could add campaign terms or campaign content, etc. Right? So what we're going to be building this exact thing, which is pretty much a UTM tag generator for Shopify. Again, like I told you guys, nobody has this on Shopify. I already searched, and you guys can actually search yourself. You could come here on Shopify and see exactly what they have. UTM, search for UTM, and literally nobody else has this. You see season flares, Shopify better Slack bot, multi-pixels, like nobody has this. Okay, so we're gonna be creating the first application that is for UTM tags, and this is something that's super important. Like, most people will have to go to Google to create this type of link, right? And find it on Google or find it somewhere else out there, right? We're gonna build this and embed it within Shopify itself, so it could be easier for the store owner or the customer, whoever it is, right, that's gonna be copying this link or sharing this link on social media, right? And then from there, basically just makes their lives easier. They don't have to leave the Shopify platform to go and create these links. And at the same time, we could go ahead and do this for all of the products. We could create links for all of the products. So the idea is, once you have this here, right, this is the UTM tag link. This is how it looks. Okay, now with this, you can actually go and say, okay, I'm going to create this link just like this. But then at the same time, we can also create a short link. If you guys don't know what a short link is, let's say if you ever seen a website called bit.ly.com, right? You could go to bit.ly.com, and bit.ly.com, basically what it does is it just creates basically a short link for you. Okay, so instead of you having to give somebody this long URL, right? Now you just come here and you send them UTM tag dot, let's say for example, test slash, let's say something like that. And now with this tag, right, with this URL, now you could actually just share it on your social media accounts, share it on Twitter, Facebook, etc. And then now this right here, this link, when people go to this link, it will redirect them into the actual product page, okay, which is this one, okay, and it will have all of the UTM tags. Now, what's interesting about this application that we're also going to be building is that we're gonna allow the user to be able to add coupons to it. So this is super valuable. What do I mean by a coupon? So like, let's say for example, inside of this UTM tag, right, we could say, okay, UTM tag source Instagram, UTM medium profile link, UTM campaign skimpy dress red, okay, and let's say right here we have another query param that could say coupon code, right, equals to, let's say 25 July 4, right? Let's say they're doing a July 4 sale. So then now with that same link that we created, that UTM tag, right? UTM tag dot test slash, let's say whatever this URL is, right? When they share that, we could go and create a way for them to change the UTM tags or change the coupon codes. So then once they share this link, they won't have to go to every single website or platform that they have already shared this with. So for example, if I shared this link with one of you guys, right, in July 4th of 2019, right, and you got that link and you shared it on your blog, or you shared it in your Twitter, or you shared it in your Facebook account, right, and somebody comes back a year, 2 years from now, and they click on that link, we don't want it to have the coupon code from 2019. We want to have the coupon code for 2020. So we're allowing the store owner to change the link themselves, right? And change the coupon codes that it has. So like that, not only are they able to control, you know, where these links are coming from, but they can also allow the users who are clicking on the link to be able to get the nice savings according to whatever year it is or whatever coupon code it is. So for example, at the same time, I could take the same link and say, you know what? I want to change the coupon code from July 4 to Labor Day. Okay. And from Labor Day, I want to change it to, from Labor Day to literally Christmas Eve or whatever it might be, or New Year's sale. Exactly. You get what I'm saying? So then now, once this link is shared on the internet, right? Once this link is shared on the internet and it's out there, we can control how much their savings is, okay? And this is great because then now, not only are you changing the pricing on the product, but you're also going in and allowing people to just share the link regardless what it is or whatever sale it was. There's always going to be a sale on that link. Okay, you get what I'm saying? So we're going to create a really cool application, and we're going to do this with PHP, Laravel, right? And we're going to deploy it with Vapor, right? At the same time, most likely we're going to be using React for a lot of the things in the interactivity for the website. And at the same time, we're going to have a dashboard, right? This is going to be a full stack application, guys. You guys are going to have a lot of fun with this app. Okay. Now, how can you take this course? It's going to be very simple. You know, I'm going to leave on the description a link that's going to take you guys to multiple places, right? You could either go to buy the course by itself, right? You could either go and say, you know what? I want to sign up for a yearly plus membership, which gives you access to all of the courses inside of the career bundle for Shopify app developer. So if you guys clicking here, right, and you go into Shopify app developer, this is the whole bundle. It teaches you everything. Like, even if you don't know how to code, you can get access to all of these courses. Okay, pretty much everything that you'll see here, it's available on that yearly plus membership. Okay, now again, some of you guys already know how to code. Some of you guys don't need all of these courses. Some of you guys already know all of these things. Okay, so basically you could just buy the same course by itself, which is Advanced Shopify App Development with PHP Laravel. Okay, you could just buy the course, okay, directly. You don't even have to get everything else. But I do recommend to you guys to get the Shopify app bundle. Either buy the bundle itself or sign up for a yearly plus membership, which gives you access to everything, every single thing that's on my website, including the 6-figure bundle, the HTML email developer bundle, the Shopify theme developer bundle, the Shopify app developer bundle, and any bundle that comes out in the future, or any course that comes out in the future. Okay, that's why I tell people to take advantage. And now I also want to announce for you guys that for those of you guys that been wanting to upgrade your account to a yearly plus membership, you know, because sometimes people come in and be like, damn, man, you know, $397 for, you know, a whole bundle for the whole year. To be honest with you, it's worth it. You're going to get your money back regardless, because you're either going to get a job as a developer or you're going to make side income as a developer. So regardless, you're going to make money regardless of what you decide to do with your career. So this right here is a very good price. But not only that, I'm also going to give you guys a 50% off. Okay. If you click on the description, you're going to get a 50% off. So again, if you click on the description, you're getting a 50% off. Now, I got here the links, right? And just to give you guys a preview of how this is going to look for you guys, okay? You decide to buy the course itself, okay? This is how much it is, all right? Open this up. Let this open up real quick. Sorry, I got so many different browsers open. But here you go, right? Advanced Shopify app development with PHP and Laravel. We're talking about just this course by itself, right? 50% off, $75, right? Nobody can complain, but like, then this is going to be a huge application. Like, this is going to be a huge app. So you're getting a lot of value inside of this course. Now, again, you say, okay, cool. If I want to buy it, I'll buy it. Okay, cool, Joe. All right. Shopify app developer bundle. Okay, 50% off. You get the whole bundle, right? Pretty much $1,700 worth of value, right? Literally, okay? You could get the whole course for $250. You say, you know what, Joe? Just give me the course. Give me the whole bundle, right? I don't want to deal with anything else, right? Cool. You got it, $250, right? You say, Joe, I don't got $250 in my pocket. Great. I'm still trying to help you out, right? 50% off, right? On 5 payments. Okay, $50, bro. Like, literally $50. Now, you might say, you know what, Joe? I don't know, man. Like, I would also like to get all of the other bundles. Okay, cool. Let me help you out even more. Okay, let me help you out even more. All right, you got the yearly plus membership. Okay, $397 for the whole year. Okay, now we come in here and we say split that 50% off, $198 for the whole year. Okay, cool. You're like, Joe, I want to get access to everything, but I don't got $198 in my pocket. Cool. I understand that, right? I'm trying to make it easier for you guys, right? Split that whole year's worth into 6 months. Pay every 6 months then. Cool. $99. Now, again, I do want to mention that all of this, right, you could cancel at any moment. Okay, so you could literally cancel at any moment. You come in, you say, you know what, I got my, I got what I wanted for, 6 months. Cool. You paid $100 for that 6 months. Okay, $100 for that 6 months. All right, you can't complain. Like, literally. Now, you might be asking yourself, Joe, why are you doing this? Why? There's got to be a catch to it, right? There's got to be a catch. Very simple. There is no catch. Okay, the catch is, I'm doing all this work and I want people to succeed. I don't want nobody to come in and say, I can't do this, or, hey, I can't afford this, right? I'm figuring out every single way to make this thing more accessible and available for everybody. That's the goal, guys. I want everybody to get into Shopify app development this year. Okay, everybody that I know that wants to listen, that wants to follow this, okay, I don't want income, money to be an issue, right? Now, I wish I could do it for free, but the truth is this takes a lot of time and a lot of work, okay, out of my day to create all of these courses and create all of this value for you guys. At the same time, I'm just like you guys. I'm just a regular guy, right? I got my own family that I got to take care of. You get what I'm saying? Like, you can't work on something for months, right? And even years, what we've created here at CodingPhase, and be able to give it out for free it's not possible. You get what I'm saying? So I'm trying to bring it down and just make it accessible to whoever wants to get into this. Okay. This is the wave, guys. All right. There's nothing else that I need to say to you guys besides just take advantage, get in the game. And I'm creating this because I want you guys to be part of this. I told you guys, 3 years ago when I first created CodingPhase.com, I said, you know what? My goal is to get at least 500 people making $100,000 per year. Not just working for somebody, but on side income. This is how you actually do an impact in this world. You don't do an impact by helping the people that's on the top, or you don't do an impact by only helping a small amount of people. You try to make an impact in this world by actually helping a lot of people and then getting them to the same place that you're at or even higher. Okay? So, like I said, if we bring out the calculator, you know me, I love my calculator. We bring out 500 times literally 100,000. You guys could come in here and do the math. How much is that? That's $50 million a year. Okay? With $50 million a year, we could say we made an impact to the community. We made an impact in the world. Okay? So that's what I want to do. All right? And I want to get at least 500 of you guys in the next year and a half to come in and we sit down and maybe we'll do a CodingPhase conference. Maybe we'll do a CodingPhase retreat. And I want to have at least 500 people making $100,000 on side income. Not working for somebody, just on side income. And we can make it happen. But the only way we're going to make it happen is by actually doing the work and getting out there. And that's what I'm trying to do. Okay? You know what I'm saying? If I can make an impact from my home and to your home, I'm happy with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how we actually, get that accolades and people come in and be like, damn, Joe really did something out here. It's like, yeah, bro, we got 500 people making 100K, right? I already have a couple of people, right, that's making 100K by themselves, right? But I want them to start making that side income money, okay? Get that freedom. Same thing that I have. You know what I'm saying? I'm literally, Harriet Tubman. You get what I'm saying? I'm coming back. I'm trying to get you guys on the fucking Underground Express. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to bring you guys to the freedom. Like, how can, let's straight up. Like, I'm just being honest. I'm cracking jokes, but it's like, I'm coming back to the plantation and bringing you guys out. It's like, hey, man, you did your work. You worked long enough for somebody else. Come on, man. Hop on this train. Let's continue. Let's get out of here. I'm taking you up north, kid. Right? That's what we're trying to do out here. You get what I'm saying? I'm teaching you guys how to code. I'm helping you guys get into jobs. But at the same time, I also want you guys to have that exit plan. And the only way to have that exit plan is not just by knowing how to code, is by also knowing how to make money and knowing how to see opportunities for you to use your skills and make income for yourself. All right. That's what we do at CodingPhase.com. That's why we say learn the skills you need to become a profitable developer. That's what we do at CodingPhase.com. All right, guys. Anyways, man, I'm super excited. I'm going to see you guys in there. We already got this thing set up, right? If you guys want to go check it out, we already started at CodingPhase.com. Like, literally, you can see UTM app.test. This is the first screen, okay? We already started in the course. We already have everything set up for you guys to follow along. How to install PHP, how to install MySQL, how to get through that whole process. Okay, that's it. We're ready. We're building this app. So come chill with me if you want to. But if you don't want to, it is what it is, man. But take advantage, man. It is what it is. I'm out of here.